Adding a line on the Boost mobile app expands your account for additional phones or devices, ideal for family plans. You'll need an existing Boost account with an active line, a compatible iOS or Android device with the app installed, and payment information for the new line's activation fee, typically $10 to $25. The process links the new line to your primary account and lets you select a prepaid plan. Boost Mobile's app-centric activation reduces in-store visits. Newer devices can use eSIM for digital activation, skipping physical SIM cards. For example, a family was able to add lines for up to 10 family members seamlessly through the Family Plan feature. A parent added a line for their child's new phone in under 5 minutes using eSIM, bypassing the need to visit a physical store. First, open the Boost mobile app and navigate to the Add Line section. Select a plan for the new line and follow the prompts to enter the required payment information. For eSIM-compatible devices, the app will guide you through the digital activation process. Otherwise, you may need a physical SIM card. Note that adding a line doesn't automatically share data plans unless you opt into family sharing features. Ensure you have a valid ID for verification if required during the process. Once completed, the new line will be linked to your account and service should be activated instantly. The Boost mobile app supports biometric login for added security and has seen increased downloads recently due to its ease of use. Should you have an issue, there are chatbot assistants available to help troubleshoot line additions.